Let's get started now, shall we? Make sure to check the links in below so you can see everything that I used. We're starting off with some skincare, and I'm loving how my skin has been looking lately. So we're going in with the foundation. And hi guys, my name is Nyasha. If you're new to this channel, please be sure to subscribe if you like everything that you see on here. I do mainly beauty videos, lifestyle videos, and also a bit of video production. I went in with the H&B Cosmetic Foundation in the shade 20W. You guys know how much I rave about this product. 2024, we're still loving it. I can't wait to try some new foundation. If you see any, guys, please let me know in the comments. I'm going ahead and carving my cheeks and my nose with this contour bronzer from La Cava. I was sent this concealer by BF Forever London Cosmetics, but it turns out to be my skin shade, so I went with my H&B concealer in the shade 4W. So this cool toned makeup is apparently very trending right now, and it's kind of like, it definitely reminds me of 90 vibes for sure, because when I did my Timeless Beauty, it was so similar. But yeah, I went ahead with my setting powder from H&B Cosmetics. So nice. And we're using some new products I got sent. If you guys know, I'm a brand ambassador for UJB Beauty, so she sent us some new goodies that she came up with. So this blush palette was definitely one of my favorite, and the eyeshadow, look at the pigment. I love some corals, some pinks, and that super black girl friendly and also fair tone friendly. You just have to be easy on the hand. One tip, guys, if you put too much blush, just get your translucent powder or your setting powder to just go over there. So starting off, we're putting some concealer just to prime our eyes, and we're going in with the Color Flavor this time from UJV Beauty. We're going to be going in with some gray toned cool, it's not just gray, it's more like really cool toned. That could also be pink, that could also be blue, that could also be green, but it needs to be just cool toned. I struggled a little bit because I do not have a lot of eyeshadow palettes with cool toned eyeshadow, so UJV Beauty always comes through. Hello. So there was a bit of fallout, but I did bake. We're going to be aligning, and this is a new product from UJV Beauty liner. It's an eye liquid liner, but it's a felt tip pen, and it's so good because if you're a beginner, this is so easy to navigate. So I do recommend this. I love it, and I just love the packaging is amazing, beautiful. And then we also got a mascara. It's waterproof from UJV Beauty, so be sure to check the links below. So something came at the door, which I was waiting for throughout the day, but I needed to start. But it's the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom. I know I am late, but I'm going to use it properly on an upcoming Valentine's video, which is the pink setting powder. I know I'm late. There's a peach pie now. I'm not sure if I'll get it, but this was sent to me. So thank you, Huda Beauty. I definitely want to try them next to each other with the banana bread, but I'm excited to try this one. If you guys have tried it, let me know what your thoughts are on it. One thing I like about Huda Beauty setting powder, they always smell so good, so luxurious. So I am going to put it a little bit on top of the banana bread just to see how it performs. And one thing I can say that it is very brightening, and you guys know I love me a bright under eye, so I think I'm gonna properly use it next time on my video. But it definitely did blend in well with my makeup. We're just gonna add a little bit more blusher. There's a blusher that's got a little bit of shimmer that I like, that's on the UJV Beauty palette, and we are going to use my setting spray that makes me look so glowy and dewy, because that's the look I've been liking so far. So I do go in with my damp beauty blender to just go over it, because it can leave you look like a grease ball. And then I go in with my powder puff just to make sure that it's not too oily. We're putting some highlighter. just for that glow. So I'm going in with a black liner from UJV Beauty, and I'm just lining up my lips. I love how soft it just glides on my lips. And she also came out with some liquid lipsticks and glosses, and there's this one that I love. It's called Candid, and it's such a nice cool pink that is just stunning. It's like a Barbie pink too. And also BF London sent me some of their glosses. Some of them had little balls inside, if you get what I mean, that you roll on your lips. So it just reminded me of like back in school. But I took the balls out and then I just used my lip liner brush just to put it on, because I can't use it really if I've got like a full lipstick on my lips. So I do love BF London Cosmetics because their glosses are just good, you know, and it's a London product. I'm fixing my face with the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second spray. This spray holds your makeup and it's transfer proof. This is the final look, guys. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think of this look, and I will see you in the next video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.